Guys, welcome to my channel.
You're walking.
Till I was awake, kissing all the Barbies, trying to get the bacon, pull up in a new toy, feeling like a robot. I feel like a true toy.
What's up, man? It is now 7:41 here in Tacoma, Washington. Got my mom over there prepping the food. Everybody's still chilling. Jordan on the grill now. What y'all got to say?
Take a picture.
Sorry.
PG, got anything to say to the camera?
Hi, camera. Whose camera is that again? Hello. Oh, hi, Jacob.
Oh, there we go. We got to need the light.
Are you good?
Who that?
You gotta open the front door. Yeah, go. Here, go. Come on, them coming in.
All right, so we got some guests coming in. We got some guests coming in now. We got some visitors.
Oh, hi.
Okay.
School for my shoes, sorry.
Yeah. We got Tom. Y'all want to say hi to Jacob's camera? He don't know how to vlog, so he's telling me to do it.
Welcome to
Lupe.
Washington.
It's cool. Y'all can bring it in.
Oh, sorry.
My man, Petana. No, everybody came through now. What's up, Roach?
Hey.
Just put it down right there. Sorry.
Oh. Oh my God.
Got baby Malachi right there. Or Micah.
Here, Mike.
My bad.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
What's up? To the Indian girl right here. Say hi, Micah.
What do you want, Michael? You want chocolate?
Donuts.
Hey.
All right, man. You know, just having a good time.
What's up, brother? How you doing? Thank you, man.
You met George Lopez?
You got me trying a little bit.
All right, man. We'll get back at y'all later. Right now, I'm going to introduce the one and only APT.
I love chocolate too.
Yeah, smooth that thing. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, Chef Junior.
All right, man. We back at it again. Got the family out. About to start this jam session, man. Hope y'all enjoy this. Jacob don't want to come out because he a little, he just don't want to come out. All right, man. We got Betana right here. We got Lupe over there. We got Fiti and baby Mela. We got Annie. We got Jordan.
Howdy.
Tonga and Folasa right here. And we got little Malachi right there.
Hey, we got for the camera.
Alright, man. Hope y'all enjoy this.
Yeah. Hey, you send it to me or what?
It was just a screenshot. I'm pretty sure you look it up on Google. I don't think that was the whole.
Coming out with my new album this fall. Lil Nas, Samoan version.
George Lopez. George Lopez.
You guys didn't hear that. You in B flat? Yeah. I'm not sure if this is tuned to like C and
Man, y'all keep messing up. Take two. Jam session with the family. That's Begon, Jordan,
take 10.
Annie, Fiti and baby. Got Lupe over there. Folasa, and we got Big O's Tom right here. Alright. Hope y'all enjoy this. About to do a little jam session. Little dance.
Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling. Are you burning overwhelmed by the weight of sin? Jesus is calling. Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling.
Come to.
Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was bought with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was bought with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Come today, there's no reason to wait. Jesus is calling. Bring your sorrows and trade them for joy. From the ashes a new life is born. Jesus is calling.
What the heck?
Come today, there's no reason to wait. Jesus is calling. Bring your sorrows and trade them for joy. From the ashes a new life is born. Jesus is calling. Bring your sorrows and trade them for joy. From the ashes a new life is born. Jesus is calling. Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was bought with the precious blood of Jesus Christ.
What's up, man? It is.
What's happening, man?
It's 3 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Sunday,
Yes, sir.
August 9th.
Yeah.
Just finished church, man. Jordan in the back here.
Yes, sir.
Jacob. We got baby right here.
Yes, sir.
You
Say
know?
yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir.
Got mom in front. Daddy driving because they're scared how I drive. But yeah, man, I have to go back to the house. Wait for everybody else to come back.
Yeah.
Eat some food. You know what I'm saying? We'll get back
Oh, yeah.
when everybody come.
Yes, sir.
Alright, man. Alright, man, we're checking back in.
What's happening,
About
y'all?
to go to Little Caesars because this guy right here is
Yes,
ungrateful
sir.
for the food that we
Little
have at the
Caesars.
house.
It's okay.
Hey,
Yeah,
baby.
man. Just chilling.
Yeah, you know,
Baby
just
over
chilling, bro.
here. Yeah, man, put the camera back on me, man. Son, say hi. Son. Alright.
So yeah, man, you know we headed to Little Caesars, man. You know what I'm saying?
Jordan, stop trying so hard, man. You freaking suck.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the order.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Drive through.
Want to say something to the camera?
I'm hungry.
Peachy, want to say something?
I keep and I like chocolate donuts.
Oh, good job.
He's from Jersey Shore. Mike, Cody D.
Mike,
No, the other one.
Come on,
Why are you